Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a review, and this review is from the company HighOh. They did send this to me for review, but of course my opinions are honest. I will have a link below if you are interested in the product, as well as a link to a previous video because I did review their pads before, so now you kind of get an idea. This is a feminine product, and if you watch the other video, then you know I am bothered by the fact that female hygiene products are insanely expensive, and we're literally flushing money down the toilet every month. That's just my personal feelings. I'm not going to stop using toilet paper because we're flushing money down the toilet, because clearly we all like to be clean. But as far as like feminine hygiene products, it's insane. It's way too expensive. It doesn't make sense. And this company, HighOh, does make products to help with that. And I think this is really great for people who don't always have it in their budget, or who live in places where feminine products are hard to get. This company makes reusable pads. So the previous video that I reviewed before was their pads. This is their panty liners. So if you saw before, I do think they're great. They wear very well, and you can see on the back here they have this nice little snap, so you can adjust it. So if you like to wear those butt floss things, there you go. And by butt floss, you know what I'm talking about, those thongs and stuff. That's not so much my deal, but you can make this smaller if need be. This is a very soft, plush fabric, and you know, you wash it just like everything else. This does come in a pack of 8, so you get 8 panty liners right here, and they are very lightweight and machine washable, which is very important. And everything that they sell comes with one of these lovely pouches. These pouches are intended to, so you can take, this is what they recommend. They recommend taking 2, where you take the clean one, you put in here, and then you have the one you're using. So when you go to the restroom, you put on your clean one, and you put this one in, and it has, if you can see it, this nice little shine here. That is so that until you get home where you can wash it, it doesn't bleed everywhere, and if you stick it in your bag, you don't have to worry about your blood getting everywhere. So I absolutely love that. It is very functional. I did not know that at first with the other one, and when I discovered that, trust me, I was thrilled. And of course the snap, that you can snap to anything that you need. So yeah, of course, reusable, machine washable as well. They did have this that came with it. It just has a link to a video, as well as enjoy 10% off right here. I will leave this code below, so if you do purchase, you can save yourself 10%. Yeah. They also sent me some links that show you instructions on how to use this and how to wash it, which is, to me, is very self-explanatory. You clean it, you wash it, you throw it in the washer, or you can rinse it in the sink. Me, I personally like to rinse it off before throwing it in the washer, simply because, I don't know, I just think about blood everywhere. That's just me. So rinse it off, I toss it into the washer from there, because that's how I do it anyways. But they are very much so durable and soft and comfortable, and I honestly prefer them, not just because of the fact that they're reusable. They are extremely comfortable. So yes, that's pretty much all I can tell you about this, other than you need to try this out. This is a really awesome product. The link is below. The videos, their instruction videos, I'm going to have that linked below for you as well. That is it of the video, and please, please, please take care of yourself. Use things that help reduce the cost for you. Take care of your body. And see, that's another thing. This is not toxic. You are not putting anything toxic in or on your body. So that is another bonus. So please, ladies, take care of yourself. Do things that are good for your body. Nobody else is going to take care of you better than you. So with that said, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.